Wheels and Wing is your go-to channel for in-depth automotive reviews, bringing you the latest insights on new car releases. Today, we take a closer look at the 2025 Tata Nano, a compact city car that has been reimagined for the modern era. Known for its affordability and efficiency, the new Nano is designed to offer a practical and budget-friendly solution for urban mobility while incorporating modern features and improved technology. The 2025 Tata Nano features a fresh and futuristic design, making it more appealing than ever. The compact dimensions remain, ensuring easy maneuverability in congested city streets and tight parking spaces. The front fascia has been updated with sleek LED headlights and a redesigned grille, giving it a more modern and stylish look. The overall body structure has been reinforced for better safety while retaining its lightweight construction for enhanced efficiency. Under the hood, Tata has introduced a new electric powertrain for the Nano, making it an eco-friendly alternative for city commuters. The electric motor delivers a smooth and silent driving experience, producing enough power for daily urban travel. With a practical driving range, the new Nano EV is ideal for short to medium commutes, reducing the dependence on traditional fuel. The regenerative braking system helps improve efficiency, while the compact battery pack ensures quick charging times. Inside, the 2025 Tata Nano surprises with a more premium and tech-focused cabin. The dashboard features a digital instrument cluster, providing real-time driving information. The center console houses a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The compact yet well-designed interior ensures optimal space utilization, offering comfortable seating for 4 passengers. The seats have been improved with better cushioning and ergonomic design, making short trips more comfortable. Despite its small size, the new Nano includes several convenience features. Automatic climate control, multiple storage compartments, and a multifunction steering wheel add to the practicality of the car. The enhanced sound system provides a decent in-car entertainment experience, and USB charging ports ensure that passengers can stay connected on the go. Safety has been a key focus in the 2025 Tata Nano. The updated model now comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, and a reinforced chassis for better crash protection. Additional features like a rear parking camera and sensors make it easier to navigate in tight spaces. Tata's latest safety advancements ensure that the Nano remains a reliable choice for city drivers looking for an affordable and secure vehicle. Driving the new Tata Nano is a smooth and effortless experience. The electric powertrain offers instant torque, making acceleration quicker in city conditions. The lightweight structure combined with a well-tuned suspension ensures a comfortable ride over urban roads. With its small turning radius, the Nano excels in handling congested traffic, making it a perfect city car. The 2025 Tata Nano stands out as a smart choice for urban commuters who need an economical and eco-friendly vehicle. With its updated design, electric powertrain, and modern technology, it continues to offer a practical solution for budget-conscious drivers. Tata has successfully transformed the Nano into a futuristic city car while maintaining its core philosophy of affordability and efficiency. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest car releases, make sure to subscribe to Wheels and Wing. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and automotive insights.